Hi, I'm Joseph.
And I'm Mayra. We are presenting our newest listing here in the Sangre de Cristo subdivision in Albuquerque, New Mexico.
This home is a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom house with 2-car garage, plenty of upgrades throughout. You have refrigerated air, updated roof, newer windows, and just beautiful design on the inside. Let's go take a look at this one. As the door opens, you're enveloped in the grandeur of a vaulted ceiling arching gracefully overhead in the living area. Light cascades through the room, highlighting the seamless blend of living, dining, and kitchen spaces. It is a masterful execution of the semi-open concept, designed to deliver both warmth of companionship and the freedom of space.
Amid the gentle light that adorns the dining room, each meal is cradled in the embrace of cherished moments. As your gaze drifts from the inviting backyard views, the dining space naturally unfolds into the heart of the home, the kitchen. This culinary space stands just steps away, promising an effortless transition from the delight of flavors to the warmth of the conversation.
In the kitchen, above-grade appliances beckon the modern chef with connectivity right at their fingertips. The refrigerator is a Samsung masterpiece in glossy white, offering 2 types of ice and filtered water system, and a smartphone feature that allows you to connect to your fridge. This continues with the stainless steel gas oven and sleek Whirlpool microwave that promises efficiency without compromising on style.
Beyond the kitchen, through a chic glass barn door, lies the laundry and pantry area. Designed to complement the kitchen's elegance, it serves as a discreet yet accessible nook, ensuring that practicality and beauty coexist in harmony.
Ascend to a personal sanctuary, the primary bedroom. A large southern-facing window floods the space with sunlight, creating a canvas of warmth and welcome. The accompanying bathroom, visible through stylish doorway, presents a modern top sink resting on a sleek cabinet with open shelves. Dual shower heads in the shower offer a spa-like experience.
The hallway bathroom, with its cheerful blue walls and modern finishes, is both functional and inviting, perfect for guests or a quick refresh.
Just steps away, the northeast bedroom awaits a cozy retreat, promising a gentle start to the day. This room, with its calm ambiance and thoughtful layout, offers a peaceful respite from a bustling world outside.
Our tour culminates in the backyard, an expansive outdoor canvas that sits on top of the berm, which overlooks the Arroyo de las Calabacillas. The northern view is uninterrupted, offering a picturesque panorama that changes with the passing hours, from the golden hues of dawn to the vibrant colors of sunset.
In essence, this fully updated home merges modern convenience with effortless elegance, ready to embrace its new owners. It's more than just move-in ready, it's a canvas for your life's next story. Thank you guys for taking this tour with us of this beautiful 2-bedroom home. If you'd like to reach out to us, please feel free to at any time for a live tour or any questions. Thank you guys for watching and have a beautiful rest of your week.